Title searches are an essential part of SMSF audits, especially when the fund holds property assets. But conducting title searches can be time-consuming and frustrating, requiring multiple tools and resources. However, online SMSF Audit makes complying with SIS Regulation 4.09a very easy. Online SMSF Audit software makes title searches easier than ever. With our platform, you can quickly perform property title searches without leaving the software, ensuring you have all the relevant information at your fingertips. Simply enter the property details, and our software will instantly initiate the title search for you. It pulls the relevant data, including ownership information, property boundaries, and any liens or encumbrances that may affect the audit. The title search results are displayed within the software, giving you a complete view of the property's legal standing. You can review this data and ensure it aligns with the fund's investment records, all in one seamless process. Once the title search is complete, you can directly add the information to your audit report, eliminating the need for additional documentation or cross-referencing. With the title search feature built right into the platform, you save time, reduce risk, and ensure compliance with SIS Regulation 4.09a with legal standards for SMSF property investments. Simplify your title searches today with online SMSF Audit software. Visit onlinesmsaudit.com.au to learn more.